Take a ride in the 2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, CD player, trip computer, driver and front passenger heated seats, heated front seats, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.